Hi, welcome to Hardy Classics, and we've got two new classics just arrived. We've got this fantastic little Ford Escort 1600 Ghia, a little four-door version, 30-odd thousand miles, and look at her, she is gorgeous. So we're going to get this one in and have a look underneath her. You can see what she looks like on the top, but we'll have a look underneath. We've also got this absolutely fantastic, when was the last time you saw one of those, MG Metro Turbo? So this is the genuine turbo version, and we're going to get this one in and we'll have a look underneath them. I'll show you them in the workshops, and then you can make your own mind up. So here's the first of the cars that we brought back, the 1600 Ghia, and we've just put it on the ramp. We're going to have a look underneath it. We haven't done a thing to it, we haven't cleaned it, we've just stuck it on the ramp. So I want to show you what it's like underneath before we do clean it. See, the chap we got it off said it was mint, and we took his word for it, so let's have a look. So apart from a little bit of surface rust on the back of them wheels there, the chassis is more or less perfect. Looks like it's had a new pair of shockers on. Walking through the car, chassis legs look really good. Spring hangers look good. The sill looks good there. Normally rot out. There was a bit of surface rust on there, but it's just surface rust. Just in there, just on the back of that inner sill. The floor pans look well. Nothing to report there. Two legs all the way. Sill's good. Coming to the front. And chassis perfect. So first impressions are really good. So it's had some reconditioned calipers on there. Over here, right to the front again. Chassis legs, and wings look good. Up there, so nothing to report structurally, apart from good news. To be fair, I'm going to get rid of all this crap here that we accumulated when we brought it back, and I'm going to take it outside and give it a little bit of a wash underneath, and I'll put it back on the ramp and show you when she's clean. Right then, so we've give her a clean down underneath and a light wax oil, and I'll show you what else we've done. So we'll start at the front here. You can see pretty much as it was before. Just clean things up. The white bits you see here are just wax oil, just clear wax oil. If you're looking round, we've popped a new genuine Motorcraft oil filter and changed the oil as well. That was what we had in stock, which is a bit of a rarity to find these days. Front brakes, stripped them down and cleaned them. They didn't need anything else. Discs and pads are really good at the front. All the notorious areas for rust, like in there again, nice and clean. See, the white stuff's just wax off. Floor pans are as they were before, and the pipes as well. Again, they look pretty original and not tampered with. And round to the back plates, we've used a bit of black wax oil on them and a bit of cleaner over the top. And on the diff. Back brakes we stripped down. One of the wheel cylinders was leaking, so we've changed the wheel cylinder and bled the brakes. Exhaust is as it was. About floor. We get round the back of here, we'll have a look at this back valance. In here, it's pretty clean in there. Normally rots out in there. These pits here, nice and clean. So that's pretty much it. So we're going to do a walk around video next, and she'll be ready for sale. Right, so here's the Ford Escort. She's out the workshop. We've done our bits and bobs underneath her and our checks, and she's outside here now. She's ready to get photographed and videoed and up for sale. Right, let's have a look at the MG. The little MG Metro Turbo. We've got her in the workshop, out the way of the rain. And we're going to lift her up and have a look underneath and see what she looks like underneath. She looks okay on the top, but underneath is always the tester. Right, so we'll have a look underneath this one. See what she's like. Well, first impressions, a little bit of oil there on the sun plug, but that's nothing. Bodywork wise, a little bit of surface rust here and there. Wasn't much for one of these anyway. Floors look decent. Sills look okay. Subframe looks good. First impressions, looks really clean underneath. One of these, really clean. So once we've been underneath the car, we like to pull all the wheels off and have a look at the brakes. It's a good job we did on this one, because the wheel cylinders on here were both leaking. So we'll get some new cylinders, pop them on, and that'll make that nice and safe. Right, so we've done the brakes. We've put the new wheel cylinders in like we said we were going to do. So they've been done. We did them on both sides. We've lightly wax oiled underneath, if you want to have a look. So just add a bit of clear wax oil underneath, moving to the front. We've placed this track rod end, the rubber was damaged. Put a new track rod end on there. And we've changed the oil and filter. The reason we did that wasn't the reason, but one of the reasons was this sump plug was leaking, so we put a new copper washer, and while we were on there we did the oil and filter. So it's ready for the wheels and a test drive now. Right, so we're back from the test drive. Everything seems okay after the work we've done. We've done the back wheel cylinders and the front slave cylinder. Both of those were leaking, and also put a new track rod end on it. We're going to go back up there and torque the wheels up, but everything seems okay, and it'll be coming up for sale at Hardy Classics soon. So there you have it. We bought these a couple of weeks ago, had them through the workshops, give them a nice polish, clean. This one's really didn't have anything to do with it, apart from I think it had a leaky wheel cylinder. This one had a couple of leaky wheel cylinders and a slave cylinder, track rod end, and a couple of bits of other bits and bobs, but they're two really nice cars, absolutely gorgeous. This is my favourite, but a lot of younger people will probably think this one is. Well, they're up for sale at Hardy Classics, and if you like this video, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Follow us on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, or just send us a message, or just ring us up. Bye bye now.